All right, this video, super quick, simple video about atomic number. So if we look at this square right here, this sort of sample square for fluorine, okay, this is exactly what, so fluorine is right here on the periodic table, so this really looks exactly like that. This is just kind of zoomed in and gives us a template for how to read each square. But this is exactly what fluorine's square looks like on the periodic table, and every element has a square that's like this, just with its own numbers and letters and names. But every element has what's called an atomic number, which is what I'm going to focus on in this video. For fluorine, that's a 9. And for each element, it's an integer or a whole number. Okay? And if we start at the top left with hydrogen, its atomic number is 1. And then if we just kind of read the periodic table like a book, so we go from left to right, and then when we get to the end, we go down to the next row, and then go left to right again, we're going to naturally go up by 1 in terms of atomic number each time. So hydrogen is 1, our next element. Helium has an atomic number of 2, and then down to the next row, lithium 3, beryllium 4, and so on. Okay? And the atomic number tells you how many protons are in an atom of that element. So again, hydrogen has an atomic number of 1. That means that a hydrogen atom, any hydrogen atom, has 1 proton, because the atomic number is the number of protons. Okay? A magnesium atom, Mg, I don't know if you can read these numbers, if they might be too small for you to see, but if you look at any periodic table, the atomic number of magnesium is 12. So a magnesium atom has 12 protons, any magnesium atom. If we said an atom has 72 protons, what element is it? Well, you would look on the periodic table for atomic number of 72, that's right here, and that's HF, which is hafnium. Okay? If we said we're considering the element bromine, well, bromine is right here, Br. How many protons does a bromine atom have? Well, its atomic number is 35, so it has 35 protons. Okay? And depending on what periodic table you look at, the atomic number might be written in a slightly different spot, but each element will probably have 2 numbers associated with it, like this one has 2 numbers here, but one of them is a whole number or an integer. That's going to be our atomic number, and that'll be the same on any periodic table you look at. Fluorine will have an atomic number of 9. It tells you that fluorine has 9 protons.